Baha. One, two, three.
1, 2, 3.
There. We are here in Dambegre village in Dalu constituency, and as you can see, we are inaugurating a new suspension bridge. This is part of a larger scheme of the government to connect all the villages which are unconnected and where people have great difficulty to cross rivers and cross valleys because of the overall geographical condition. And like this bridge, many such suspension bridges are coming up throughout the state, and I'm happy to see that this has been completed well, and I congratulate the PWD department, our local MLA of Dalu constituency and the contractor for successfully completing this bridge. And I'm sure that with the completion of this bridge, it will be a great blessing to the people living in and around this particular area. Thank you very much.